Attorney Sally Babbitt joins us. Good morning.
Good morning, Bob. How are you?
Good. I want to talk about power of attorney. What is it? Why do you need it?
Yeah. So it's the third in my series of basic estate planning documents, and it's really one that will apply for anyone across the board. Everyone can benefit. Two different kinds. Durable power of attorney, that's for finances and banking and things like that. And then the medical, advanced directive, sometimes they're called the medical power of attorney for medical decisions and authorization.
So is it still in effect after the person passes?
Neither of those are in effect after the person passes away. They're strictly lifetime.
Okay. And so do we need that like now? So if something happens to me where I'm incapacitated, do I need to designate that right now?
You do, because you have to have the legal capacity to execute them. However, they're effective when you don't have capacity. And I use the perfect example is you're in a car accident. You're strung out on the pain meds they give you, and somebody needs to authorize the surgery. So there's your medical power of attorney. You're temporarily unable to communicate your decision. And as well as finances, let's say it's time to file income taxes. You're in an accident, you're laid up in the hospital, somebody can get those filed for you.
So even though I'm healthy right now, everything's good, it's still good to get that preventative check in there and make sure that it's taken care of.
That's right. And of course, sometimes it's a permanent disability. You know, we see a lot with the dementia patients, and they get to the point where it's not going to come back. But it's documents that I can't say anybody shouldn't have.
So talk to me a little bit more about the advantages of having that.
The advantages are you're planning ahead and you're planning for potential disaster. So you're not going to put someone else in a bind or put yourself in a bind because something couldn't get done while you were laid up.
Are there disadvantages of having?
You know, the only disadvantage is if your agent, takes advantage of you and, takes your money and things like that. And I mean, I have to say, it happens, but, we can only do our best with choosing the people that we trust.
But you can null and void that, right,
You
at
can.
any time?
You can. Both documents, you can void, revoke at any time, change the agents. Yes.
But it's just having that in place just in case. So it could be your spouse, right? It could be.
Yeah, and quite commonly, it is your spouse first, your adult children. They have to be over the age of 18 is all.
Good information. SallyBabbittLaw.com for more information, or the numbers on the screen, 507-3306. Thanks, Sally.
Thanks.